Fractions. Fraction means part of a whole or one. When an object or a group of things is divided into parts, then each part is a fraction of the whole. This is one whole. This is divided into two equal parts. One part is half of the cake. This is divided into three equal parts. One part is 1/3 of the cake. This is divided into four equal parts. One part is 1/4 of the cake. Numerator and denominator. 1/4 is equal to numerator upon denominator. The number on the top is called numerator. It tells us how many parts we are talking about. The lower part is called denominator. It tells us how many parts the whole has been divided into. Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator, which is equal to parts being referred to upon parts in all. Parts of a collection. There are 6 balls. Half of them are yellow and half are blue. How many balls are yellow? We want to find half of 6 or 1/2 of 6. We divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, half of 6 is equal to 3. There are 3 yellow balls. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. 1/9, 3/9, 5/9, 7/9, 4/9. All these fractions are like fractions as they have the same denominator, that is 9. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1/9, 3/5, 5/8, 6/7, 4/6. All these fractions are unlike fractions as they have different denominators. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have the same value or represent the same part of an object. If we cut a cake into half, each piece is 1/2 of the cake. Example, look at these fractions. In both the figures, the same part is shaded. In the first figure, 1/2 is shaded. In the second figure, 2/4 is shaded. So, we can say that 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Remember, equivalent fractions are 2 or more fractions which have the same value. To find an equivalent fraction, we either multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Comparison of fractions. Let us learn to find out which fraction is greater. From these figures, we can say that if numerator are same, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. 1/2 is greater than 1/3, is greater than 1/4, which is greater than 1/5, which is greater than 1/6. Now look at these figures. 1/5 is lesser than 2/5, which is lesser than 3/5, which is lesser than 4/5, which is lesser than 5/5 or 1. Thus, when denominators are same, the fraction with the bigger numerator is greater.